So we just came out of the Bolivia Consulate. Bolivia Consulate here in Cusco is one of the coolest I've ever seen because we didn't fill our online form. The officer who was there, he filled the online form for us because the morning we tried it didn't open. So he filled us both of us. He made the itinerary in his system. He took the printout and document. What we need is that account statement, passport copy, and photograph, and 6 months validity in your passport with original passport. So with this he filled the form, but unfortunately to process the visa the server in Bolivia is down. So we waited for 30-40 minutes here. Then he said, okay, you guys can go and come back later at 2 o'clock. So we are out now. So we will go at 2 o'clock and hopefully server will be okay and we'll have our visa. Getting Bolivia visa will not take much time. If all document is done, it's hardly for 10 minutes. Since the server is not working in Bolivia, he's been contacting his Bolivian counterpart. So, but it is not worked. It is not re-established. Contact with the server is not re-established yet. So hopefully at 2 o'clock all will be set done. So we just came outside. It's far from the Plaza De Armas, in where the center of Cusco is. We'll see. We'll roam around. We'll eat some snacks, and at 2 o'clock we'll go back to consulate and we'll see the status, and I'll update you all the status. Okay, so guys, we have been sitting here for a long time, and I think now it's around 2 o'clock. 5 minutes more, 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. So we have been here chatting and pulling each other legs. So now there have been rain also. We are sitting on this bench on the roadside. You can see there is a roof sheet also. So there was shower sometime before, but we are okay with this. And it's very chilling cold now. It's around, I think, 11 degrees, but still it feels like 8 or 7 degrees, something like that. So anyhow, I'm going there now, so Bolivian Consulate, to collect our passports. So fingers crossed, so we'll get our passport. There's no issue with the visas, only issue with very beautiful. So we didn't have time in the daytime.